Hello there, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install AI in command prompt for Laravel development. I mean, if you want to create your Laravel project, how you can actually create through a free AI in command line. So for this, we need to download OpenCode CLI in our PC. So we'll use command prompt to install this so that we can use this OpenCode in the command line or command prompt. Okay. So to install this in command prompt, what you have to do, you have to install Node.js in your PC because we have a command, we need to run it. So we can actually run it through npm. So for npm, you need to have Node.js in your PC. So go for the command prompt, cmd, open it and type here node-v. And if you get the version, it means you have already installed Node.js in your PC. And if it is not, then you have to download it. So let's go to the browser once again and go for the Node.js org. Here you can see nodejs.org. Now you can click here download to directly go to the download page. From here, you can select the version. Current version is 25. I will suggest you to go with the long-term support version, LTS. So select LTS and then download.msi. And select Windows here, make sure, but by default, it will be actually Windows. I mean, if you are from Windows, all right, then download this .msi. After installation, and if you type node-v, you will get Node.js version. Now, we'll actually run the command. The command is, we have to go back to the terminal or command prompt here, you can see. Here we have to say npm install, or we can say here I only for the install, then -g for global install, and then OpenCode -AI at latest. Now hit enter to start installing. Here you can see change 3 package in 2 minutes. So I have already installed it. That is the reason actually it's showing like this. But yes, we have successfully installed it. To check if you have installed it or not, you can actually say here OpenCode -version. You can say I got the version. It means I have successfully installed it. Now I can create my Laravel project through this OpenCode CLI. Let me show you how OpenCode CLI will look like. Let's say you want to create a project. Okay. So let's say here. So you can actually create here a new folder and the folder name, let's say test CLI. Open the folder and here you have to right click on it and open the terminal, or on the other hand, you can click here in the address bar, then type cmd command prompt and hit enter. And here you can see currently you are in test CLI folder, and now here you can actually open OpenCode command line interface. So you can say here OpenCode and hit enter. Okay, write OpenCode and hit enter to open OpenCode CLI here, command line interface. So let's just wait for this. Here you can see we got here OpenCode command prompt. Now here we can actually write down anything. We can actually write here anything, let's say related to our project. Let's say I want to say here that I want to create Laravel project. So it will actually create Laravel project for me. So in our next video, I will show you how you can create Laravel project through OpenCode command prompt or OpenCode CLI, command line interface. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.